Okay. Which team do you support in Premier League?
Na support Arsenal.
Arsenal. Okay, nataka uniambie three players. Tuanze one player who is a Arsenal player and plays for England.
Three players.
One player. Tuanze mmoja.
Arsenal
Ni wa England.
Na England. Bukayo Saka.
Bukayo Saka. Okay, one player from Arsenal and he plays for France.
Arsenal and France. Hapo kuna William Saliba.
William Saliba. Okay, tuende kwa second question. Which year was your last to win Premier League trophy?
Premier League bado sikuwa nimezaliwa, but according to history I think 2004.
Huko umezaliwa 2004?
Ni bado.
Okay. Which was your last year to win FA trophy?
FA trophy 2020.
2020. Which team were you playing against?
Chelsea.
Chelsea. Okay, who scored the winning goal?
Kwa siwezi jua, lakini kama si Aubameyang.
Aubameyang.
I think Aubameyang scored
2020. 2020 Aubameyang alikuwa Arsenal.
Alikuwa Arsenal.
Okay, last question. How many FA trophies does Arsenal have in total?
Arsenal, I think 7.
7. Are you sure?
Yes, siko sure sana.
Uko sure? Okay, tukimalizia ambia watu wa Arsenal kitu hapa. Wape hopes.
Tell wape hopes. Arsenal next season yetu. Alafu Arteta acha kutu let down manze. Aleta ma players. Tunaenda next season yetu tunabeba.
Okay, watu wa Arsenal mmesikia. Don't forget to follow, comment and share for more videos. Msema Premier League ni yenu.